When you're out in a boat on semi-protected or unprotected waters, you need to carry flares and know how to use them. A flare can cause injury and is a one-use item. Try and use your marine radio or another form of communication first. If you do need to use it, wait until you can see another vessel and keep one in reserve to guide your rescuers. Make sure you store them in a waterproof container and check the expiry date on the flare. A flare will last 3 years from the date of manufacture, so make sure that you check the date. To use this type of flare, hold it firmly by the base and remove this orange cap. You then pull firmly on this tab, and then you hold it high in the air and downwind until it's finished. When it's finished, it will be very hot, so don't throw it into your boat. Place it in a bucket of water.